Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices, continuing the 10 days of deals, plus free gift weekend. Let's scroll down to it. Deal 6, Deal 7, and free gift weekend. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. We'll go over it. We'll go over Deal 7. We'll go over the free gifts, how much they are, and what you should get to get them for free. And here we go. Start off with Deal of the Day 7, 30% off all Cen-Tech and Viking automotive jump starters and battery chargers coming July 23rd, which is Thursday. Thursday, July 23rd. Pretty straightforward. 30% off all Cen-Tech and Viking automotive jump starters. So we'll start there we'll start with Cen-Tech. Now, is all they have? Oh, well, no, maybe not. Here's a step block and clamp set. So only Cen-Tech's battery chargers and automotive jump starters. We've sorted from high to low, and there is a brand new one. Brand new one at 30% off. Now, these have been, I want to say again, at 40% off before, but we'll start off with the brand new Cen-Tech 200 amp, 6 and 12 volt wheeled automatic battery charger with engine jumpstart 160. This mobile battery charger can start or maintain 6 and 12 volt batteries. The built-in microprocessor automatically switches the system from charging to maintenance mode to prevent overcharging. Already has some reviews, 4.6, 92%. Work at home here in San Antonio. A lot of rain. Went out to get groceries, maintained it, no worries. Worked perfectly. Purchased this charger about 2 weeks ago. Been using it almost 3 times a week. Worked perfectly. All right, that's what we like to hear. Brand new is really what the focus is, and it's their most pricey item. So at 160 and a brand new item to Cen-Tech makes it a bargain at 30% off, getting it down to 112. So save almost $50. So there's an option. We have a clearance Cen-Tech, which I'm assuming is what was replaced, down to 110. I mean, at that point, maybe it's a bargain. 110, an extra 30% off. Get it down to $77. Inspection camera not available. And then we do have the Cen-Tech 630 peak amp portable car battery jumper and power pack. The 750 peak amp portable car battery jump starter and power pack. Cen-Tech does have 50 amp 12 volt analog charger with engine start. That's the Cen-Tech side of things. And then we go on to Viking, which again, Viking at one point also was 40% off, but we'll take 30% off here and there. Parking lot sales, individual items do go on sale pretty often as well, but Viking's most expensive, high to low, $400 for the 3400 peak amp pro portable car battery jump starter and power pack. $400, 30% off, getting it down to $280. So saving $120, but $280 still pretty pricey. 3400 peak amp Viking heavy duty lead acid jump starter is built for reliable roadside and auto repair services and is capable of jump starting a wide range of vehicles from your standard 12V gas engines to heavy-duty 24V diesel engine semi-truck. So maybe that's why. This is a big boy. 90-day warranty, never the best. 4.6 out of 5 stars and 93%. Tried on several 24V military vehicles, 5 stars. Not as good as said. Started a vintage 13-liter Caterpillar bulldozer engine. Okay. Powerful and reliable jump starter. Portable jump starter for a giant bus. Okay. It's for heavy-duty use. And of course, they do have more options. Viking 250 amp 6 and 12 volt wheeled battery charger, engine starter, alternator tester at 240. We won't go over them all. These are very niche specific. 168. So save almost, just over $70. 1700 peak amp portable car battery jump starter with power pack and 150 psi air compressor at 230. So this was a do everything. Get that down to 161. So save almost $70. 1000 amp DC 61224 carbon pile battery and system load tester, $200. Save $60 on that. And then they continue. Here's the Viking 2000 peak amp lithium ion jump starter and power bank at 140. See what people say about this. Again, this goes on sale often. 4.8 stars out of 5, 98%. Really good. The best portable jump pack on the market. Okay, that was a couple years ago. Lifesaver, battery died, push started my truck on a boat ramp. Solid. Viking jump starter. I'm all for quality products. Don't mind spending a large sum of money on quality. However, I also believe in value, which is why they bought this when amps are needed. Okay, so fairly good reviews. Really good reviews. 140. My only hesitation on this is that I see it discounted more throughout the year. But at 30% off, get it sub $100. down to 98 bucks. So save $32. Not a bad deal. And of course, they have different options. 1,000. Oh, here's a good one. Here's a good one because it doubles with instant savings, which is what we like to see. What we love to see. Viking, 1,000 peak amp lithium ion jump starter and power bank, already 18% off. Lightweight compact jump starters capable of starting engines as large as 2.4 liter diesel or 3.5 liter V6 gas engine, up to 30 jump starts per charge. Already down 18%, again, which is what we love to see. So this is going to be potentially a good deal. We'll do the whole math here. So already 18% off. So we're at $73, and we're gonna get that at an extra 30% off. Get it down to $51.10, which compared to the original price, 43% off. So that's probably as good as a deal on this one as you're gonna get. 43, almost 44% off with the instant savings on the Viking 1,000 peak amp lithium ion jump starter and power bank. Steal of a deal. And we keep going. Automatic microprocessor controlled battery charger at $69.99. Nice. Couple ITC deals here, but this is just a tester. Charger maintainers at 40 bucks. And that's your deal of the day. 30% off. They have it here in front for one of the chargers, but this one is the 1,000 peak amp on instant savings, which is a huge, huge deal. And then we go to the free gift. Free gift weekend starting July 24th through the 25th. $35 purchase. You get one free item, or if you're inside track, you get a free gift with any purchase. So we'll just look at the value of the three. We have the 9-piece fully polished metric combination wrench set, $10 value, solid choice, your choice again of SAE or metric. They've done these free before. Then we have the Hall Master, 400-pound capacity, 1-inch by 15-foot ratcheting tie downs, 4-pack, 13 bucks. And then also a $13 value, the Braun 500 lumen professional swivel headlamp, ideal for light placement, $13 value as well. So some decent free items, especially if you're already ITC. Not a bad time to start to be ITC because the parking lot sale is coming up. And let me give you a few recommendations as to what you can pick up to get these items for free, starting with the lowest priced item at Harbor Freight. HARBRO's, correct me if I'm wrong, but we're showing the Craft magnet blocks 2-piece at 47 cents. I wish it was a 2-pack. 47 cents on clearance for some magnetic blocks. HARBROs have clever uses for them, or the chip brushes. The 1-inch chip brush at 59 cents, or the 2-inch chip brush at 69 cents. The very handy Gordon's color snap blade utility knife, 79 cents. Our once high and mighty 7-inch carpenter's pencil at 79 cents. Or, we'll skip ahead a little bit, to the Harbor Freight 55-pound bag, 19-gallon double XL, 99 cents. And then another HARBRO favorite, the clog-resistant job site permanent markers are also right now at 99 cents, 50% off. So all solid choices to get your free gifts. And we got a couple of other fire deals that are going on right now in ITC that is still be going on during this weekend deal that you can pick up. If you're ITC, 52% off. Don't forget, 52% off the Pittsburgh 29.5-inch telescoping magnetic pickup tool. 50 pounds down to $259. 52% off is a great pickup. There's a couple other great pickups here. The Pittsburgh 7-inch wire stripper that we fell in love with so many times. 7-inch wire stripper with cutter, $3, 50% off, down from $6. For the tarp bros, of course, 7x9 foot all weather resistant 4mm tarp, down $3, 45% off. The Doyle cutters, flush cutters, 5-inch precision flush cutter, also 50% off, down to $6, normally $12. The Pittsburgh 10-inch groove joint pliers, 42% off, down to $4. A good pickup. And then really, the 4-inch Pittsburgh 1-pound neon orange dead blow hammer, 50% off right now, down to $4, normally $8. Even these Doyle demolition screwdrivers, $5.89, 41% off. Excellent deals. Hardy gloves at 99 cents, 66% off. Pick up a pair of gloves to get your free gift. And then some Icon, of course. We have the color-coded L-shaped ball end hex key set, 13-piece, down to $15.49, 38% off. For Icon is nuts. And then the 3/8-inch drive crowfoot wrench set, also 38% off, down to $40. That's a bit bigger of a purchase. And this is going on through July 30th. So not a big deal if you don't use it for the free gifts. And those are just some options to look out for your free gift. Again, $10 value, $13 and $13 values, free gift weekend starting this Friday. HARBROs, as always, let me know what you're going to pick up. These will line up with deal 8, deal 9, and deal 10 of the 10 days of deals. We got deal 7 coming July 23rd, Thursday. So we'll get the Friday, Saturday, and Sunday deals. And as usual, let me know what you're picking up. Deal of the day 6 tomorrow, July 22nd, meme tool. But I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. Happy harbor freighting. Happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.